This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of H16 2016 Exam 2, question number 6, and it's a volume in, volume out differential equation question. Part A has two parts, part 1 and part 2. Remembering we have a tank which has 500 litres of water, so initially it's got 500 litres, and there is 100 grams of salt, so X is 100. I've got 60 litres per minute going in, and the concentration is 0 because it's water is being pumped in. The amount of salt in the tank at any one T is X, and 20 is going out, so we have a difference. Okay, the difference between part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is asking for the rate of dx dt, that is, dq dt, the difference in the amount of salt per minute. Part 1 is actually asking for the amount of salt in the tank. What is the concentration of salt in the tank? At any time there's X grams, so the concentration of salt will be X on top of the amount of liquid. And the amount of liquid I have is 500 because there's 500 litres, and it's increasing. 60 goes in, 20 goes out, so it's increasing by 40 per minute. So that's going to be the concentration of salt, the amount of salt in grams divided by the amount of water or liquid that's in the tank. Part 2 actually is asking about dx dt, and that's going to be using this rule because I have a difference. So I'm going to have dx dt equals the volume in, which is 60, times concentration, which is 60 times nothing, minus volume out is 20 times X on top of 500 plus 40X. I can see I've got a division by 20, so dx dt equals 20 goes into 20x times, 20 goes into 525 times, and that's 2x, and that's going to be the same as this if I move all this to that hand side and subtract.